Hello guys, I want to ask you a question. What is the most insane thing you believe that I can generate you money quickly? I have a few: playing and listening to music, pressing buttons, taking surveys, browsing with your screens, and so on. But then how would you respond if I revealed to you that you could earn money with this brand new platform by simply watching videos? Watching videos, reading comic books, and playing video games. Isn't that insane? I mean, it's really amazing how individuals can make money online nowadays. And we can do it all from the convenience of our own homes. Imagine earning reasonable money by just doing all of those things. It would be a wonderful reward, and it would also relieve you of financial burdens. With that money you make through this strategy, you'll be capable of providing for yourself as well as your family. This is astonishing in light of the fact that once you lay out this pay stream, step by step, it will end up being a passive revenue stream that will accommodate your necessities. You will not need to stress over your bills and other monthly payments. You will need not to stress over the wide range of various cash stuff in light of the fact that the source of your income is reliable insofar as you're additionally steady with this strategy. So enjoy the entire video so that you'll know how to set up this fresh and brand new technique that I'll talk about by the manner in which, beside being so simple to do, and it's completely free and accessible everywhere on the planet. So no matter where you are, you may use this strategy to generate money. You don't need a large social media following, any special talent or technical abilities, and you don't need to sell anything. All you will do is watch this video to learn how to accomplish things quickly. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. And now to begin today's video, let's go to animationarena.com. This will be the primary website that we'll be discussing and we'll use in today's strategy, which will allow us to view movies, to play video games, and to read comic books, and will earn us money all at the same time. If you visit their main page, you'll see something like this. Now comes the twist. It will be difficult to discover the important link where we will generate money from this website manually. And here's what we're going to do. In the address box, put this instead: animationera.com/arena-writer.html to be sent to the webpage that will generate us money. The website's Get Paid to Write webpage. This is the page you'll see once you've logged in. As you can see here, you can get paid to write a comic book, video game, and movie reviews, which is essentially what we'll do for today's approach. You might assume this is easy money, but wait, don't rush. It is easy money, but it's basically somewhat difficult to set up, like with this webpage. It would have been difficult for us to find this website manually, but with a little approach and some marketing secrets, we began to where we are meant to be to make money. As you can see, no professional expertise is required. All we want is that you have a genuine interest in the subject and that your grammar is good enough for our readers to appreciate. There is no technical writing in these reviews. If you continue reading in this area, you will see that every review has a minimum word count and that it must be unique and not duplicated from other reviews in order to avoid plagiarism. If you are enjoying this video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Also, down in the comment section, tell me what country you are from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that will work for you and your area. They will also display you how much you will earn from each review and how many times you may review every month. This will be simple for us because we will be evaluating intriguing items such as movies, games, and comic books. There's a good possibility we won't become bored with this approach because we'll be having fun at the same time. So it's that simple to earn a reasonable sum of money every month. This money would have eased your financial concerns, or you could have saved it because of the number of reviews you may post is limited. If you're willing to work and write for Animation Arena, you may send them sample writing of your work via email. You may submit it through arenamaster@animationarena.com with the subject title line Writing for Animation Arena. And when sending an email, include the following information in your email is a must. Include your full name, age, and answer the questions: what subjects you want to review? What do you consider to make a good review? What is your favorite television show? What video games are you currently playing? And what video games are you planning to play? What comic books are you reading as of this moment? And list your top 5 movies for this year. Remember, you must answer these questions and include them in your email because we strongly recommend that you attempt this strategy so that you may make an automated monthly income. That is why you must also follow all the steps that you will learn in this video if you want to earn money online like I do. Don't be afraid or be timid about sending this email. Instead, be confident enough to demonstrate that you truly want to be part of their team writing reviews. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. As I previously stated, I will be presenting another site that will also assist us in making money using the same way of watching movies. They have such a lot more to offer other than simply watching videos. They even have surveys and other jobs including marketing and web browsing. But for the purposes of this video, we will emphasize watching videos. Cashkick.com is the next app I'll present to you. This additional website will pay you in real money via PayPal or bank transfer. As you can see, making money on their site is a 3-step procedure according to them. Step 1 is to locate and fulfill your objective or duties. Step 2 is to monitor your earnings rise in your account. And step 3 is to withdraw money early and frequently. Now to see if this website is legitimate, scroll down and read the testimonies of these individuals who have profited from their dedication to the platform. To begin making money with Cashkick, all you must do is simply browse to their webpage if you are using a computer, or you may download this app on your smartphone. Now on this website, simply enter the required information and click Continue. Following that, simply fill in the relevant fields with the required information to properly register your free account. That's all there is to it. You can now begin generating money with Cashkick. To summarize, these are 2 highly suggested websites that you should attempt and need to have a passive income that will sustain you and your family's daily necessities, since investing your time in these would undoubtedly secure your money every month as long as you do it consistently. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!